Hi, I'm Philipp, and today I'm showing you Apex Document Management. This is our content management or document solution, but in Apex, think Google Drive or Dropbox, for example. I'm logged in. On my user home, I already have a few files. Let's open this docx file. And you can see here I have an online editor where I can just change something. I can click save and all my changes are versioned, so I could even revert back to an older version. We actually support different storage options, for example, Blob and also object storage. So you can see here, for example, this file is stored in a bucket on OCI. You can share files directly with a user or groups or even external people via links. Here I can see all the files that were shared with me. There are also groups. For example, I'm in the United Codes group. For example, here you can see a test folder with all the kinds of file types we support: CSV, email, HTML, XML, PDF, rich type formats, media like images, audio, etc., zips. For example, this is the email viewer, and you can view attachments. And this is also how you can, for example, view or even edit PDFs. There's also search. So if I search for specific things, we can immediately find our files. And if we deeper search, we have a search page, and here we can even find files by in document search. So in drinks.xlsx, I have actually written about Negroni. You can even filter by modified dates and by specific filter conditions. So I can have I can add tags to documents with values like years and recipients, for example, here to filter them. And I can even add more filters. These are completely up to you what you use them with, but gives the users power to find their files. To make it easy to get an overview of everything, here you can manage all the tags for the filtering. You can see audit of everything happening. So you can filter by action type, viewing a document, adding a comment, a folder, create document, and then you see all the actions that were happening here. Deduplication allows you to find duplicate files and save space. Here you can manage your users and groups. Hooks are a nice way to trigger PL/SQL automations. The advantage is, of course, everything runs in Oracle. You can extend it, and we have hooks like after new file upload, you can create your own PL/SQL function that will run when a file is uploaded. You can either throw errors to stop it from being uploaded, or just do some custom processing for it, automatically add text, for example. You also have logs and preferences, and an admin can see the data of everyone. Also check out the documentation we have built. Here are some more details on what we do. We also, for example, have audit and compliance features, legal hold retention policies, etc. Here we have some APIs that you can use to interact with the system. You can automatically add files via your own code. Another great feature is you can embed Apex Document Management into other Apex apps. So you can see a folder view or just a single document just from your existing apps without the users having to switch to the Apex Document Management app. If you are more interested, please let us know. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.